Good morning, fifth grade. Happy Monday. It is Monday, May 18th, 2020. Your schedule for the day. First thing, math. You need to get on Dreambox, 25 to 30 minutes. Okay? Just like every day, at least completing one lesson per day. So that's 5 lessons per week. But you still need to do, if you do 2 lessons in one day, I still need you to get on and do the 25 to 30 minutes every day, okay? Then I have a activity for you to do in Seesaw. This one's a little bit different, so make sure you read the instructions because it's going to tell you what to do so that you don't get confused. Next, ELA. 25 to 30 minutes on Imagine Learning. And same thing, make sure you're completing at least one lesson per day, doing those 25 to 30 minutes each day. And then you'll have an activity also in Seesaw to complete for ELA. Third thing for the day is science. There is an activity where you're going to watch a video, read a little bit from our science textbook that you'll be able to see right on Seesaw, and then answer the focus question for the day. Make sure when you're answering the focus question that you are writing incomplete sentences. And also make sure that you're reading the directions because it tells you on the directions and on each slide what you need to do in case you are not sure. So make sure that you are reading all of those directions so that you know that you're completing your work the right way. Reminders, I already said it, but make sure you're logging onto Clever and completing your activities and your minutes for Seesaw, Imagine Learning, Dreambox. And then today, I am going to do a Zoom call at 2 o'clock. I'll be there for anybody that needs help, has any questions, or just wants to check in. And, last thing. Sorry. Today is National No Dirty Dishes Day. So what I want you guys to do is to help your family out by doing the dishes so you don't have any dirty dishes in your sink today. I'm going to be the one doing that at my house because Braden's too little to help me out. But anyways, help out mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, whoever you're with, aunt, uncle, help them out by doing the dishes today. And then your question for the day to go along with our No Dirty Dishes Day is what chore that you have to do you like least? So which is your least favorite chore to do? I'm sure there's probably more than one, but which one is your least favorite? And I will share mine with you. Laundry, I don't enjoy doing the laundry, but I'll do it, right? My least favorite part of doing laundry is folding socks. I have the biggest basket of socks, yes, because I hate matching the socks up. And so there the basket sits. And people in my house, if they want their socks matched up, they have to do it themselves. Or they have to dig through the basket of all the socks that are just single socks and find a pair because I won't do it. So that's what I hate doing is the matching up the socks after doing the laundry. So again, your question of the day is I want you to share with me what your least favorite chore is. Okay. Yeah. And let's see what else. I feel like there was something else. Oh, yes, the other thing I wanted to tell you guys. So I'm guessing you all remember the book that we read in class, The One and Only Ivan. Well, I found out that there is a sequel to that, and it is called The One and Only Bob. Now, if you remember, actually, I'm going to ask you first, who was Bob in the story? So take a minute, think about it. Bob. Which character had the name Bob? Did you say dog? You are correct. Bob was the dog in the story. So the book I got, The One and Only Bob, talks about Bob's story. So we'll have similar same characters in there. Excuse me, Ivan and um, oh, the elephant. Now that I can't remember her name, Ruby. Ruby the elephant, Juliet. We're going to have all those characters in there. So I'm going to attempt to record some of the book for you, and I'm going to play it. I got to figure out where to post it for you guys to just listen and follow along with the book. No, there's no work assigned to it, just for fun to hear the story. So be on the lookout for that. And I think that's it. I miss you all. I love you all. I hope you are doing okay, and that you got out this weekend and enjoyed the nice weather. It's going to be nice again this week. Not today, it's a little rainy today, but later in the week it's going to be nice, I know. So make sure you're getting outside safely and get all your work done. Okay? Miss you guys. Bye.